Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. I've gone ahead and taken a picture of the normal distribution table. And your question is, find the z-scores for which 75% of the distribution area lies between negative and positive z. So it's kind of reverse of some earlier problems. So first thing I do is I convert 75% to 0.75. So I'm trying to draw a normal curve here. Here's the normal curve, and we want to find these z-scores down here for which 75% of the data line here. So one thing you need to understand, the total area on the normal curve is 1. So the whole area is 1, and then this area here is going to be 0.75. How much does that leave us for these two tails, which are, both tails are equal? So if you go 1 minus 0.75, that's 0.25. And so the area here is 0.75, and then the area for each of these, the sum of these two tails is 0.25. If I divide that 0.25 by 2, that's 0.125. And that gives me the area of each tail. So the area of this tail is 0.125, and the area of this tail is 0.125. So, if you add up this area plus this area plus this area, it always equals 1. And so now what you want to do is you want to look this up in, number nearest 0.125 in the table. And if I find 0.125 right here, this number's nearest it, and it looks like it's negative 1.15. So the z-score here is negative 1.15, and by symmetry, this would just be the positive value. Hope this helps.